Leverage is one of the most powerful tools in real estate, but it's also one of the fastest ways to lose money if used incorrectly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use leverage safely so you can build wealth without putting yourself at unnecessary risk. Hi, I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and I help homeowners and buyers make smart real estate decisions that lead to the best possible outcomes. So if you're thinking about buying, investing, or refinancing, understanding leverage is critical. So let's break it down. Now, what is leverage? Well, leverage in real estate simply means using borrowed money, typically a mortgage, to purchase a property. So let's take an example. You buy a $500,000 home, you put down $100,000, you borrow $400,000. That means you control a $500,000 asset with only $100,000 of your own money. That's powerful, but it comes with responsibility. When used correctly, leverage can accelerate wealth building. Appreciation happens at the full property value. Tenants or your own income pay down the loan. You can own more real estate with less cash. This is why real estate has created long-term wealth for so many people. But here's where most people go wrong. Leverage can magnify both gains and losses. Here are the biggest risks. One, over leveraging, buying too much property with too little margin for error. Two, cash flow pressure. If incomes drop or expenses rise, the payments don't change. And then market shift. Values can fluctuate, especially in the short term. And number four, liquidity risk. Real estate is not a quick asset to sell. This is where strategy comes into play. All right, how to use leverage safely. One, keep a financial buffer. Always maintain reserves, ideally 3 to 6 months of expenses. Two, buy below your maximum approval amount. Just because you can borrow more doesn't mean you should. Focus on long-term ownership. Real estate rewards patience, not speculation. You'll notice that comes up a lot in my videos. Four, stress test your scenario. Ask what happens if rates rise, rents drop, or expenses increase. And five, align with your life goals. Your home or investment should support your overall financial plan. This is what separates smart leverage from risky leverage. Leverage isn't something to fear, it's something to respect. When used correctly, it can be one of the safest and most effective ways to build long-term wealth through real estate. So if you're thinking about buying or investing and want to build a strategy that works for your situation, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you'll see more insights. You can reach out anytime. I'm always here to help you make the best possible decision for your situation. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.